Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to make a custom scroll bar. So let's begin. As you can see here, we have a default scroll bar, so let's customize it. So first of all, you need to write WebKit scroll bar. Here you have to define the width of your scroll bar, so I will just say 20 pixel, and make sure you have to write the width, okay, because it is must. Then you have to write WebKit scroll bar track, okay, just like that. And I will change the background color of it, let's say aquamarine, and I will copy this whole down, and instead of this track I will write thumb, okay, and let's change the color red, okay. So let's see. As you can see here, is your custom scroll bar in just under 1 minute, and also you can change the border radius also, okay, to make it look good. So I will say 30 pixel, and now you will see the border radius has also changed and it is looking pretty good. So this is how you can change or customize your WebKit scroll bar. Thanks for watching.